Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can link your Apple Calendar with Notion. So at first, come on this website that you see. After that, you're going to click on install the integration, and from there we're going to click on select page, and we're going to select all of them, and just do it if you want to, or select any particular page that you have. After that, we're going to click on allow access. From there, it's going to bring us to a page like this. So we're going to click on the plus button and click on add new calendar. After that, it's going to load whatever calendar we had saved in our Apple, and you can put it to wherever you want to. This is basically your choice. After that, there are a bunch of other options that you can do customize. Once you're done, just press on submit, and then you see we have a calendar URL. We're going to click on copy to clipboard, and then we're going to go back to Notion and then select on anywhere on the page, and then just click on /embed, and after that we're going to paste that link. And once it's done loading, you can see that Apple Calendar has automatically been synced, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.